Hello, I'm Darian Woolbright in Oklahoma City. In today's short video, I'm going to tell you about the market in the metro Oklahoma City area and how it could affect you. For those of you who know me, you know I love to study the market and I love numbers. I've got some really interesting statistics to share with you today, and I think it will all make sense to you. Call me if not. But the market is hot for sellers right now, but things may change soon. Here are the details. First of all, prices are soaring. The median price of an existing home sold in September rose 14.8% compared to a year earlier. That's a record in price growth since these numbers started being tracked in 1968. It's also an all-time high when adjusted for inflation. So what's behind this price surge? Limited supply of homes. The inventory of homes in the market fell to 19.2% annually. As of September, the number of available homes stood at just 1.47 million, which represented a 2.7 month supply. For reference, normal supply is 4 to 5 months. And while supply and demand is certainly pushing prices up, there's another important factor: record low mortgage rates. The 30-year fixed rate currently stands at a record low of 2.8%. That's almost 1% lower than it was a year ago, which at that time was the lowest ever rate. Buyers are eager to take advantage of this situation. Such low rates can take tens of thousands of dollars off the real cost of buying a home despite the growth in prices. So homes can still be affordable. So what does all this mean for you? Well, if you were to sell your home now, you could sell it for top dollar and in record time. However, things might be changing soon. For one thing, there's been a spike in the number of sellers who think this is a good time to sell. This measure plummeted to 16% in March and rose steadily throughout the summer and now stands at 56%. Also, home builder sentiment has been rising steadily in the past several months, and that means we'll likely soon see an increase in the completion of new homes, which can tilt the market more in favor of buyers. That's why this is a perfect time to sell. Prices are high, time to sell are short, and buyers are eager. If you want to take advantage of this opportunity while it lasts, you can get started by finding out what your home is worth on my website, darianwoolbright.com, using my home value calculator. And if you have any questions about selling in the current market, give me a call. I'm constantly talking to both buyers and sellers around the Oklahoma City metro area. And if you need any help, I'm always available. Make sure to hit the like button and also follow me for updates. Thanks for watching. I'm Darian Woolbright. I've got my eyes on the real estate market, so you don't have to. For a more in-depth study of local statistics in your area, call me today. Bye.